Well guys, a review for you. This is the lightake cook set that they sell on lightake.com. Kind of nestles your pots and pans. You get big pot. Get your big pot, your smaller pot, your two lids that can be either used as cups or, as I do, frying pans. Made of aluminium, nice coated handles on them. They are really good. Brilliant. Excuse the traffic, it's quite busy here. They're quite good. I do like these coated handles. Very well made pots indeed. Very well made. You kind of see the quality there. Brilliant. Every time you go to film a video, everyone just goes out for the day. It makes a hell of a racket. I do like using these pots. There you go, that's it with the lid on. The burner itself, I love this little burner. Kind of just turn it on, give it a click like first time. Turn it off. Make sure it's not that hot. It just literally screws onto your gas bottle. Just screws on, normal gas bottle. Your gas bottle, for anyone who does care, will fit inside all this set. So you can take a gas bottle with you and the stove, it'll all fit in as one package if you like. There's a little tiny stove. Really well made. Electrical start on it. I've used a ferro rod to start it and this. Really well made. It folds up super small. There you go. It folds up super small. Undo that a bit. That goes in there and just drops in your pot. And you've probably seen quite a few of these. And then your lid goes on. Done. That fits inside there, that fits inside there. So you can see that's gas bottle and stove inside the smaller pot. And then the smaller pot will drop inside that bigger pot. Done. And that's kind of a full cook set. Nice. Perfect for the backpacker, the day camper, blah blah. Absolutely brilliant. I'll leave the links in the description box below. Go and check out lightake. Oh, and it all comes in this nice bag. Go and check out the links in the description box below. I lightake, I'll leave the links. And be safe, be good. Peace and happiness to you all. I'm off camping. See you all later. Bye for now. Ta-da.